There are two types of people in this world: those who watch the pool party on their phone and those who are hosting. This updated beauty in Olive Branch, it's your ticket to hosting. Here at my latest listing, we've got nearly 3,000 square feet of absolute beauty. 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 2 bedrooms here on the main level. And wait until you see that primary bathroom. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're ready to upgrade your lifestyle, give me a call. It's Tracy Kirkley with Crye-Leike Realtors, 901-210-8045, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be one of the first to know about all of my latest listings.